Hi, this is Nicole Woodard with eXp Realty. Stay tuned for some quick tips on how to make the most of this crazy Dallas-Fort Worth real estate market. If you're considering selling your home in this market, you're absolutely going to want to have a plan. If you're staying local, you pretty much need to buy your next home first prior to selling. We can talk through some of the logistics that would be involved in making that happen. If you're moving away from the area, that still may be the case. We're hearing that this inventory shortage is true not just here in the Metroplex, but throughout the nation. Number two, even though it is a wild and crazy seller's market, there are still some things you're going to want to do to make sure you maximize the equity that you have and to make it just a no-brainer for buyers to come in and give you phenomenal offers. One is make sure that you have no deferred maintenance. If there are things that you know need to be addressed in your mechanicals or your structure or anything like that, absolutely take care of that before you put it on the market. You may also want to do a little landscape overhaul just to really impact that curb appeal. And then finally, certainly you'll want to have it professionally staged, and that's something that I can help with. If you're a buyer in this market, here are some quick tips for you. First and foremost, make sure you have a very strong pre-approval letter from a local lender. It matters. Listing agents are not really looking to work with an online lender or a big bank. So that's number one. Number two, prepare yourself to be uncomfortable with the terms that you offer, starting with sales price. You're very likely going to have to offer above list price and give up some of the contingencies that many buyers have the opportunity to utilize in a not quite so competitive a market. It's not going to be unusual for you to be uncomfortable with the offer you make. And then also prepare yourself. It's very unlikely that you're going to win that first offer, so it quite possibly will require making offers on 2, 3, 5, 7 houses before you actually get the one that's right for you. But you will. Keep hope. As always, it starts with a conversation. I appreciate the opportunity to be your residential real estate resource. Call me if there's anything I can do for you to help you navigate this crazy real estate market.